Well, for this cookie, my husband took one bite, and you know what he said?
Wow, look at those.
You like my cookie?
Love them.
And he's not wrong. Some people chase trends. I chase cookies. This one, it's a sourdough oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. You start with butter and brown sugar, then you cream it till it feels just right. It's that dreamy, fluffy stage. Then you add the eggs, a scoop of sourdough starter, which is just enough to add a little bit of tang. The flour and cinnamon, it's the cinnamon that makes the kitchen smell so good. I love the ground oatmeal. It gives the heartiness. I don't know, maybe it's just in my DNA. Oatmeal in cookies, it's perfect. Dark chocolate, it's a must. The best kind of chaos. Scoop, roll, repeat. Little dough balls are lined up and ready. Just bake until the edges are golden and the kitchen smells amazing. If you'd like a little flaky sea salt on top, it's the salt and the sugar balance that's perfect. I wanted to see if sourdough could actually make an oatmeal cookie even better. And you know what? It does. Hey, the full recipe's at sourdoughafterglow.com, where every recipe is made with love.